In front of me is a Nokia 6.1, and today I will show you how to enable Google Backup. So start off by opening up the Settings app, and you can find it in the, you pull down the notification panel and you have this gear icon right here. We can also go through the app drawer, and it's right here. So from here, let's go down to either Google or Accounts. Both of them will work. Choose Account, then tap on Add, and make sure you're connected to a network before. So I'll actually have to connect to network before. Okay, so from here, let's go back. Let's go back again. Accounts, then tap on Add, and then choose Google. And type in your email address. I'm gonna type in mine. And tap on Next. And then put in the password of that email. So I'm gonna do that off the screen. And then once more tap on Next. And you'll see this, which is the Google Terms of Service. All you need to do is just tap on I agree. You can also tap on it to read the Terms of Service. And from here you have Google Backup Drive, so make sure that this is enabled and tap on Accept. And as you can see now, you have the Google account, and you can also tap on it right here, and you have Google account automatic sync. Let's see, right here. And from here you can also check which things you want to automatically sync with the device, or between multiple devices, and which ones you don't. And you can just simply check it off like so if you don't want, for instance, calendar to be synced. And you can choose whichever one you like from here. And yeah, basically that's how you would enable it and choose what you want to sync. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.